Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay, your host for the show, The Sanjay Podcast. The net worth of chemical industry in the world is 4.73 trillion US dollars. Also, as you know, the India's second richest person, Mukesh Ambani, is a BTech graduate of chemical engineering from University of Mumbai. Welcome to episode number 1. Today's episode is all about chemical engineering. Now, you get the first question, what is chemical engineering? So, if you want to explain it very simply, it is a study of upscaling small chemical reactions or processes to a large scale, means industrial scale. Now, what might be the responsibilities of a chemical engineer? The responsibilities of chemical engineer are to make a process cost effective, design and troubleshooting processes for production of chemicals, fuels, foods, etc. Now, what are the drawbacks faced by a chemical engineer? Chemical engineer plays a key role in making many processes. Now, he might face some difficulties. Some of them might be not getting high paid jobs at the start. Also, in India, 200 colleges offer chemical engineering. Now, to acquire a good job, he needs high skills. Now, he also might need to pursue higher education. Now, what are the softwares used by chemical engineers? The top 10 softwares used by chemical engineers are MATLAB, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, HTRI, VBA, Python, SAP, Oracle, AspenTech, Visio, PowerPoint and Excel. Now, many of you might think, what are the uses of this software? Let us learn in detail. The least used software and being used from a long time is Excel. Now, Excel can be described for collecting data and presenting data in a systemized form. Now, PowerPoint is used by every engineering branch because to present your ideas in front of a large group, you need PowerPoint. When it comes to Visio, Visio is a software that provides you with visualizing industrial based technologies. AspenTech is also one of a kind. SAP and Oracle helps you to manage finances, raw materials, etc. of a process. Now, VBA and Python are the cores for make the processes to run, which help you to code in-depth processes. Now, when it comes to HTRI, Heat Transfer Reservoir Index, this helps you to identify the heat transfer. Now, AutoCAD and MATLAB helps you to design industries. And there are many more softwares that are used by specific companies that you must learn. Like if you need to learn to operate a control board, there is a software available which helps you to learn control board. Now, when it comes to placements, chemical engineers get in a variety of branches such as oil, petroleum, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food beverages, etc. Some of the major companies that offer internships and placements are ONGC, BHEL, Reliance, etc. The latest development in chemical engineering are chemical engineers are using AI to accelerate and advance the material designs. Some of the personal questions I got. What motivated you to become a chemical engineer? Actually, when I was studying, I first find out about this branch and found it very interesting because I can create a process which can be cost effective, where I am interested in battery technologies. Now, when you use a phone or a mobile or laptop, anything, it contains a lithium ion battery which is prepared using lithium ions. Now, we are creating new batteries which are used by salts, etc. Now, these can create revolution which will help us to improve our daily lives. Now, second question, what are the most important challenges faced by a chemical engineer today? The first and foremost problem he faces is at the starting of his career, he don't get a high paid job. Also, if he doesn't have all the required skills like expertise in fluid mechanics, heat transfer, mass transfer, etc., he won't be getting a high paid job. Now, what are the advances happened in chemical engineers? In recent times, we have been using data science and artificial intelligence combined with chemical engineering to produce some miracles. Now, some of the most fascinating technology which I have found is the salt batteries. The salt batteries have been created many places in the world where they won't get exploited or expelled like normal batteries which we are used in daily lives. These contain sodium metal as their ions. If you want more, you can search in Google. You will find out about them. Third question, sir. Next question is, what are the most important challenges faced by a chemical engineering profession in the future? The first and foremost thing is chemical engineering cannot be replaced with AI completely, because there might be some errors which can be caused and must be supervised by a person. So you can be happy that AI can't replace your job, whereas CSE and other branches can be got replaced by AI. Now, the major issue that is found in chemical engineering is like the number of colleges that have offered chemical engineering are only 200 in number, which makes the competition higher. So, the posts or the chemical engineers required for a company are very few in number, which can be counted on fingers. So, there is a high competition in between the students to get a very few jobs. Thanks for listening my podcast. If you liked it, please like and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.